All right, welcome to part 3 of our quad pack made easy. In our quad pack, we do have a roof runoff system, which is the Baughman Gold. The reason why we only have one pipe for the whole roof runoff system, the more water you can push through this pipe, the cleaner you'll keep that pipe. Shingle, gravel, and debris, they'll lay in the valleys. And if you can hook 2 or more downspouts to one of these 4-inch pipes, you cannot believe how much water you can move, 240 gallons per minute through a 4-inch pipe. Keep that in mind. So unless you have a big house, we usually just run 1 per side. So you'll tie 3, sometimes 4 on each run, and that's fine. It'll keep that clean. I didn't even put a catch basin to catch the debris, because I'm telling you, when you put several downspouts together like that, it's just going to wash everything right into the storm drain, or maybe it's a ditch or a creek, wherever you're taking your storm water. And I know sometimes you guys go to a pop-up, and you see us go through a pop-up emitter, and that's fine too. Everything will just come right out of that pop-up into the grass, and it'll just get mulched when you mow the grass. Or some people say, well, I got big leaves and they get stuck in the pop-ups. Well, then use one of those 6-inch catch basins at the end. That's fine. Just inexpensive. We're going to actually put some of those in the store for you guys too. So we're going to hook you up there. So here we are. We're putting the stone on top. We're at about 15, 16 inches deep so that our quad pack has enough stone on top. We cut that piece of concrete out to get that in. Sometimes you have to do that. So you could rent that at a rental store. Now, I want to take you to another job site, because here we are. We're pretty much done with this one. And I want to show you a quad and how we picked up. Oh, actually, it's going to be 5 pipes. So here we go. In the comment sections on a lot of videos, people are asking about the connections for quad packs, tri packs, whatever it may be. So I want to show you guys. We use the Baughman Tile Company's end plug. It goes inside the high octane, and it's barbed and it does not come out. So you don't have to struggle down here trying to connect these with a Y coupler. What's the point? Throwing water through this fence and water going through that pipe into the bottom one is the same thing. The water's going to pass right through it. There's so much inlet with the high octane that the water just passes right through it. There's more reservoir in the system with high octane than stone. So we got 2 pipes. Now the trench gets deeper over here. So we dropped in a 3rd, then we dropped in a 4th. Look at that, dropped in a 5th. This was super deep back here because they crowned the backyard. Now, crowning the backyard works if there's a storm drain on both sides of the yard. In this case, because it was crowned, the surface water couldn't drain past this point. So now we have 5 of the high octane in one trench. Okay, so now, because it was crowned and that was the deepest part of the dig, we drop a line. We go to 4. We drop another. We go to 3. Drop another. With a Baughman Tile Company's end plug. And then we're going to finish this out with 2 high octane.